Hey guys, Ben Tessmer, Malone Motors here in Hutchinson, doing our weekly walk around. And this week we're actually featuring a 2025 Lincoln Nautilus. Got to run through the features of that vehicle here shortly. This week featuring a 2025 Lincoln Nautilus. Absolutely beautiful vehicle in that red. Plenty of luxury and a lot of creature comforts with this vehicle. So if you're looking for something nice in an all-wheel drive, kind of a mid-size SUV with all the bells and whistles, this is definitely something you'd be interested in. Just kind of starting here, like with our door handle, it's actually a soft touch button to open. We've got that nice kind of a beigeish light gray interior. And just a quick look at the inside. Adjustable seating, multi-way adjustable. We make our way here to the back. Plenty of room for passengers here in the back seats. Do have that center armrest and cup holders to those riding back here. Absolutely beautiful vehicle. Make your way around the back here. Have the soft touch button for the rear. Plenty of room here in the back. You have the power folding seats as well for the second row. Up top for the power close. Does come with the power close on the key fob as well. You have your fuel fill opener here. Again, another look into the back, an absolutely beautiful look. Also, which is nice for your passengers, is you do have the charging in the seat backs in the USB-C. Really nice. This one actually comes with the rubber floor mats, the Husky brand, just helping keep everything a little bit cleaner in the vehicle. Very unique vehicle. Does have the more of an oval shape. Do have the touch screen as well. Climate control for the heated seats and heated wheel. What's really impressive is the cluster that spans the entire dash of the vehicle. Absolutely beautiful. And if this is something you'd be interested in taking a look at, please give me a call. My name is Ben. Phone number is 320-587-4748. We are Malone Motors, your dealer for life.